Greetings traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. What a crazy week we've had. Look at this. Dow 3.3% in the green. S&P up 4%. Russell's up 4.15%. NASDAQ up 3.4. I'm telling you, if we're not down 500 points, we're up 400 points. This market has been just insane. Believe me, it will be a long time before we see a market like this. It won't happen anytime soon, I promise you that. Big downtrend as the S&P, big downtrend. We've had a couple nice bullish days in a row. Let's zoom in and redrew some trend lines. I know it looks like I have lines everywhere. I take them so serious in my technical analysis. And we have this red line coming across horizontally, support, resistance. We did a touch and go and drop, resistance. My red line here is my 50-day moving average, resistance. We have this line, resistance, and we're acting as resistance right there. A lot of resistance here. This gray line that you see right here is faintly, let me go back in time. This is what we're looking at right here. Swing high, resistance, swing high, resistance, swing high, resistance. That's just above. A lot of resistance here. If we can pop through that and close past this, that will be very bullish. That would be, wow, we need to be rethinking our bear sentiment if that happens. Anyway, let's take a look at the weekly S&P. Look at this huge dragonfly doji, where you come down, you come screaming back up. Wow. I would have given anything to have a close down there. Not that I wish ill on America or our economy, but if it was going to happen, I was going to capitalize big time on that. So anyway, we're still not out of the woods. We don't know what's going to happen as far as the weekly is concerned because we're still between these two resistance support lines right here. So this is indecision, and we don't know what's going to happen at this moment. So it's anybody's guess. But I'll tell you this, the economy is weaker than it is strong. Keep that in mind. And while we're looking at this, let's go ahead and throw the monthly in. Here's the monthly. Hammer time. We have a big lower shadow, and that big lower shadow is 2 times or more the body with a little to no upper shadow, which tells us that is a hammer. Usually hammers means we're hammering out the bottom. We still have a little bit of time left in this month of September, and the 50-day moving average continues, 50-month moving average, excuse me, I stand corrected, continues to act as resistance. So, a little tidbit for you guys. Let's take a look at some ag stocks. Here's Mosaic, M-O-S. Look how it's poked its head up right there over resistance. Very nice. Let's look at Potash. It has made a decisive move to the upside over resistance line. 50-day moving average acting as resistance. TRA. Falling wedge breakout here to the upside. CF. Very nice falling wedge with the breakout to the upside. And here's AGU. Very nice breakout, downtrend breakout. Look at this. We hit our head, floor or support, hit our head or resistance, pow! Pop the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average together. So, are the ag companies putting in bottoms? Maybe. Technically speaking, it looks very good. Now, overall, all these have a weakness. I want you to go to freetradingvideos.com, and if you're already here watching the video, I want you to click on comments, and I want you to let me know what your thought is and why there's some weakness on these breakouts. Love to hear them, and we'll let you know later on what the answer is. Take care. Happy trading. Have a great week, and be careful out there in the markets.